Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick rundown of this website as fast as possible. I mean, probably won't be anything short, but we'll try our best. These are the latest updates on the website here, and I'm gonna try and see if I can do this under 10 minutes. I'm hoping I can. Anyways, I'm gonna roll through these pages pretty quickly. So this is the home page right now. All the buttons are working, from what I understand. At least most of them are working there. Um, there's probably an oddball one left over, but this is your general outlook. All those buttons are working. These buttons are working now. Um, all these buttons have a function, generally speaking, except maybe the terms of service, privacy, and cookie in the blogs. So if you wanted to go to okay, the home is working already there. We're on home. Okay, so going to solutions here, you got carrier solutions here, and it talks about the benefits of what carriers are looking for. If you want to see the pricing for the carriers, you can go to the pricing plan. So there is two separate plans or users that I consider for this. Carrier plans, and then there's brokers and shippers are basically in the same area. And then you got a couple questions here, and just a few other things to link back towards the other stuff. And then your pricing plans are all listed here. Okay, and then what else can I see here? So this is how your page looks so far, and it can easily be updated too as well there. So we can update the color schemes. So this is your page here for your carrier sign up. You can click through as well. Either way, you can do either. Down at the bottom, sign up, and you can click through, upload your documents, and you can choose your subscription plan too as well here. You can choose your payment plans and so on. And I'm gonna go through this in light mode here for you, and then I'll go backwards in dark mode as well there. So you can see there you got your technology platforms that you want to integrate, if you want to integrate anything. And so yeah, that's it. So then this is dark mode. So this is your submit agreements and all your checkboxes, and you can go down through and then just keep on clicking. So there you go, so you get your file to upload, and you get your drop menu here. So that's done for carrier, and then I had to go do that through for the brokers and shippers as well. So if you clicked on brokers and shippers, so we'll go in dark mode now, so you can see here, and it's got the same functionality. You can choose between, and it stays in basic plan, or if you have enterprise, it goes through enterprise, and then there's your checkboxes. And then yeah. And then you can turn it off, look through, submit and registration. This we're at 4 minutes so far. So we're just going back through and reviewing, and you know you got doc stuff as well, and these forms are customizable too. They're pretty easy to upgrade there. Oh, you know what? I wanted to change that color scheme to a darker blue, which is one thing I missed. But anyways, that's generally how that looks. And then So when you go to your solutions page, so you got your, so this is for your brokerage solutions page, where you can click the pages back towards the pricing, and then you know, it'll send you here. And if you go to your shippers, it'll have your shippers page. It'll lead you right to this area, and you can kind of see how it looks in dark mode too as well. Looks pretty clean. Just to give you a rundown of the dark mode and carrier as well. And there's your quick rundown here. So that's another little area right here that I want to update this. But yeah, we're pretty close there. It's not too far away from getting that done. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So we're ready to go to the login area, and you know, you got your login here. So this is set up mainly for a carrier. Haven't done too much on the broker shipper side because that's easy compared to the carrier side, in my opinion. But we can still do it up pretty technical. So you can do, now I've updated the database even larger. What am I saying here? Bradford, Ontario, Canada. Okay, so let's say Plano, Texas. Oh, we'll put Kentucky in there. We should have had Texas. Okay, and then should generate quite the list of loads. So we got 46 items in there. Now it updated the tab here, and you can add a new tab. So say Midland, Ontario, and we're gonna go to Miami, Florida. All right, and voila. So there you go. So your tab name updated up there, and you generated a list of 20 items as well, and you can flip back between them. So you got Arlington, Texas here, and you can look at the load as well in dark mode. Yeah, and you can add a third one if you want. So let's see here. Let's go Dallas, Texas. Okay. And Toronto, Ontario. We'll increase that to 1,000-mile radius. Okay, and then you gotta update the date. Yeah. There he goes. You got a few loads here. So yeah, you got a few loads there, and you can flip back and forth. So I'm realizing something else I gotta update here is a little results that's not there on the third tab. Always happens when you demo. But so far things are going good. Like this is how it looks in light mode, as you can see here. And when you don't select the equipment type, it defaults to all equipment. And I can even update these as well to include an equipment type as well into the search tabs. But that's what we got so far there. That's what I thought I'd demo. So I'm at 9 minutes and 23 seconds. That's not bad actually there for timing. So I just thought I'd do that for you there, so to show you that we had updated a whole bunch of stuff. We got the rates now in there. The distance is calculated properly now, so that's in there. And then yeah, for everything though, it's not just for distance between the origin and destination city, but we got the the distance between the deadhead to the origin and deadhead to the destination as well there is correct. So you can see that as well. Yeah, there's a lot there that has been updated, so that should be pretty comprehensive so far. And like I said there earlier, we're not using any Google Maps API anymore, so that makes it even more complex. And a lot of work actually there to have built up that database there of cities and so on there, so that it's comprehensive now there and includes like every small town and village and corner across North America. So I think we've got one of the most comprehensive lists. I don't know, you probably could test it, but a small town of Inglewood, Ontario is listed in this place. So that wasn't listed before, and I might be able to get, yeah. This is a village. Britt, Ontario is 300 people. So it's including all the little towns as well there. So it's pretty comprehensive now. Yeah, so that's about it there. I guess, you ever have any, when we go to talk or whatever there, you have any thoughts or updates right now? I know I'd like to see a map integration into this, and it's not very far away actually. It's pretty close. So that is the next step. It's a big step. I think as big as this radius function. That was a huge step. To have a radius function there where it could query the database based on the radius. So I think I got that in pretty fast timing considering, and yeah. So tell me what you think when you get the chance to respond back there, and we'll go from there. Okay, talk to you later.